Hi guys, it's Elizabeth from Elizabeth ASMR.
And hi guys, so today's video on Just Jazz, we are going to open a snack. What is it?
Snack crate
Snack crate.
box. So a couple of months ago I heard about Snack Crate from my daughter, her mom, and I decided to go ahead and order a box. I liked it very much. This is, I think, my second or third box, and I decided to share it with you guys, and of course, Jess. So let's open it and see where it comes from. I'm gonna have to use a knife here, guys, because my hands are not very good. They don't have a lot of strength. So I am going to have to use a knife and maybe some scissors. I'm excited. Who's excited? Are you excited? Okay, let's open the box this way so nobody's face gets cut off like mine. Oh. Okay, this box comes from Sweden.
Let me see.
Sweden box. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to read what's in the box, but I don't know how well I'm gonna do because aside from my hands being the way they are without strength and stuff, my eyes are not very well either. I can see, but to read, I for sure need glasses. So, and I'm so sorry guys that my head is like cut off. I have no idea how to fix that. Maybe if I go back a little, but I don't know. We'll see if this works. But they send you a little Snack Crate sticker.
Ooh.
A little sticker that says Snack Crate.
And they have a bunch of stickers.
And yeah, they have a bunch of stickers. Look, you want to show them?
Yeah.
Show them. All the little stickers from Sweden. They're cute, huh?
That is Sweden there.
Yeah, it says Snack Crate in the middle. Yeah, aren't they pretty though? Look at the horsey. They're so cute.
Flowers.
Yeah, they're so pretty. Okay, guys, it is time to actually open the wrapping here. So let's open it.
Are you excited?
Yeah, you want to help me open it? Grab it from here. Let's open it together. Woo! All right. Let's see if it stays down. Nope. Okay. Going to have to do it like this. Oh,
Good.
it sure does. Ooh, I can already tell that I'm not gonna like this because it's sour and I do not like sour stuff very much.
I love sauce.
Yeah, she does. But let's see if I can. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on, guys. So sorry if you don't like this, but I got to. Glasses.
I like the decoration.
Yeah, I like these glasses. Let's see if I can even open this thing. All right. We got Sweden. Here, right here. Okay. this first thing that we are going to try, show them. It's, oh, guys, I don't know how to say this. It's OLW grilled chips. These crispy, rigid potato chips are flavored with salt and onion. Ooh.
Salt and onion.
Yum. Made from only the finest potatoes. All right. I'm going to put this aside. Now I'm going to try to open it on this.
There looks like a lot of sweet in there.
Yeah. Let me see if I can open it with these tiny scissors. At least the edge. Oh no. Do you want to open it for grandma?
What's that?
I don't know. Here, let me see. Yeah, open it like that. I'm sorry, guys. Just my hands don't have very much strength in them. And my fingers don't either, so. But go ahead and try one.
This is what it looks like. Ooh. I like this.
You like this? Look at this, guys. I like smelling my stuff before I taste it, see if it smells good, which I don't think it's a good idea to do that, but I have to. So, sorry if you guys don't like it. Mmm.
That's really good.
Mmm. Oh my God. You want more? Oh yeah. These are very, very delicious, guys. Very, very good. Very, very crispy, crunchy, yummy. Very, very yummy. Very good. Mm-hmm. Want more?
They're so good.
Mm-hmm. Yum. Okay.
Next is
Let me see what this is called. Oh, okay. Here.
this one.
Yeah.
Whoa, they look like they have a lot of sugar.
Yeah. Those are the Got and Blandat Super Sour, I think. I don't know. Potently sour gummy candies in a colorful mix of shapes and flavors. Let's give those a
I
try.
think I'm gonna try this one.
Okay, let's open it. Oh, they smell good.
I'm gonna smell
Smell it?
I'm gonna try this one like I said it was.
Oh, yum. They smell really good. This, I don't know. It's some kind of shape. Is it good? Is it sour? Here I go, guys. It's super sour. Show them the bag.
There's a sweet in there.
Not for me.
I love this.
Okay. Sorry, guys. I forgot to rate the potato chips. And to me, these get like, I don't know, probably like a 9 out of 10.
I give these
Just-
a 10.
You give these a 10? Just because I really like onion flavored potato chips. And these, what do you rate these?
A 9.
A 9 out of 10? I would probably say for me, these are a 5 out of 10. I like the gummy candy. I just do not like the sourness of it. I just can't handle it. Want another one? Yeah, go ahead. She likes that stuff, guys. I don't. Oh, it comes with this to protect it. Just bag with air to protect the product.
No. This is a 6, yeah.
It's sour. Okay, next we shall try this one. What in the world?
They look like little marshmallows.
Okay, show them. That is called Acgrens. Sorry, guys. I don't know what I'm saying here. But it says accidentally created in 1953 during an attempt to produce marshmallows. These light and chewy candies are molded into the shapes of little cars.
These are shaped like little cars.
So I'm assuming they're marshmallows. I don't know, guys. Let's see if I can open it.
Like a little bit. That was easy to open.
Yeah. Okay, here, let me see. I'm gonna put some in a plate so I can show you guys and we can, whoa. We can eat them from there. Show them.
Okay.
Here, let me see.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, go ahead. Look it, guys. Go ahead. Take one. Try these with us. Are they good? Let me try one. I'm going to try the plain white one. If I can pick it up. It's okay. I got to try. If not, I won't be able to. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that, guys. I mean, like I said, and I'm always going to say my hands, they don't have strength on them, in them, whatever. But I don't have very much strength in my fingers either. So just bear with me. But here we go. We're going to try this. Smells like marshmallows.
I give these an 8.
I don't like them.
I tried all of them, but except the white.
Sorry, guys. This is another product that I don't like.
Yeah, I don't like this.
They are...
I like the white one.
They're a little hard for a marshmallow.
I don't like the white one.
I gotta take a sip of water.
I'm just taking a sip of Gatorade.
I have water. She has Gatorade.
That's fine. I get the white one a 0. It tastes nasty.
Okay, so
Next,
these candies, what do you rate in general? All the candy. Which one? Like, not
I
only...
give these like a 6, and I give these like I give these a 7. I give these a 0.
Okay, but overall, like, in total, like all of it,
All of it.
which one, like, what do you rate these?
Like,
I rate them a 5.
Me too.
Just because they're a little hard. Okay, next. Hold on. Let me sign
Let's see.
this.
Ooh,
Yeah,
that one looks sour, Grandma.
they look sour.
I can't wait to try the chocolate ones.
Let me see. Which ones are these? They're down here. Here, pick them up and show it to them. Sorry, I keep hiding my face behind this thing. I need to read it, so I need to put it close to my face. But
You can hear it, guys. It's right there.
yeah, this
Can I
is.
open it?
Hold on. The Jungle Bro. So sorry to butcher that. I'm pretty sure I am, but I don't know. It says, we have no idea why these salty licorice bites are popular, but they are a beloved Swedish snack. Try them for yourself and enjoy. Oh. We'll see. We'll see.
Good job, Grandma.
Thank you. Okay, let's see if I can put some in here. No, you can put those. Just for us to try. Thank you. Okay. Show them. It's this.
I'm going to try the sour thing.
Yeah, I think they're all the same.
Ew!
Okay, just put it aside. Drink some.
That's nasty. You shouldn't have. That's.
That is so funny. You're so cute.
I don't like these.
Here, let
It's
me
a 0. Yeah.
let me try one.
You're not going to like it.
No. No.
He told you they're nasty.
Sorry, guys. These get a 0
Yeah, a 0. I definitely.
from both of us. A 0. They are super. I don't know. They're super hard.
It's like salt. It's like salt.
Yeah, it has salt on it, but it's kind of fizzy. I don't know. I didn't like it.
No way.
I did not like it at all. So
Is
those
it-
get a 0. Yeah, 0. Those get a boo. Okay. Let's try this
Oh,
one.
there's 2.
Yeah, but we're only going to try one. We don't need to open both. So that one is, yeah, show it to them. A Cloetta Kex Bar. A crispy wafer is covered in mixed chocolate, giving the perfect combination of sweet and crunch in every bite.
Sweet and crunch and everything.
Open it. Can you open it for me? Good job. Okay, now take a bite. You like it?
Yeah.
Well, okay, let's do this. You keep that one, and if you don't finish it, you can take it home. And Grandma will open hers. Okay?
Okay.
Well, can you open it for me, please?
Mhm.
Thank you so much.
I give these a 10. They're so good.
Already. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God, guys. Tell them how good it is.
Ew, I'm so good. Look at the inside. What did you give it, a 10?
Yes, I actually do give this one a 10. I like the crispiness and flakiness of the cracker or cookie, whatever's in their wafer. And then the chocolate, it's not overly sweetened. I don't know, it's just so good. It has a slightly, like, little tiny bit like a salty flavor. So it can, I guess, balance the sweetness. I don't know, but it's so good. Okay, let's go to the next.
I'm almost done.
She's almost done. Okay.
So good.
Water time.
Yeah. This is orange flavor, just to let you know.
Orange flavor. Okay, we have a, like, let me see, 1, 2, 3 of these, I think. And I think they're all the same. So we're going to leave one, and we're each going to open our own. Well, she's going to help me open mine. But hold on.
Yeah.
Banana skids. Oh, are you okay? Let's look it up and read a little bit about it. Hold on, don't open it yet.
I know.
Okay,
That's what it looks like.
scoot in over here because you're fading away from the video. Okay, this is a banana skid. A chewy, stretchy taffy with the taste of banana and toffee in every bite.
I'm
Okay,
not
guys.
sure about this.
Yeah, I'm not sure about this either, guys.
Because I kind of don't like bananas.
Me either. I was just going to say that. Okay.
They were.
Here. Look, just stick your little finger in there and open it for you. I'll open the other one.
Ooh.
You know what? Just give me a little piece of yours. I don't think I'm going to like it.
I don't think I'm going to like it. Oh, look at the back. It's kind of brown. So, I'm not sure about this.
Here, let me see. Let me help you. Yeah, guys, we're not sure about this one.
I think it's going to be bad. I don't like bananas.
If she thinks it's going to be bad, then I think it's going to be bad too. But here, try it.
Me first?
You want me first?
No.
No?
I don't like this.
No? Well, it's not too bad, guys. I kind of like it. But I've been having problems with my teeth, my molars.
It sticks.
No. It sticks? I've been having problems with my teeth. They've been hurting really bad. And I don't think it's a good idea for me to eat this candy because it's so stretchy. Look at this. Whoa.
That sticks
Look
to
at
your...
this, guys. Look at this.
Guys, don't try this. It even sticks to your teeth.
Look at it. Look at it. It's so stretchy.
Whoa. Can't eat that.
And if it sticks to your teeth, it's going to make your teeth hurt worse. So the flavor-wise, I give it a 7. Because I like the flavor. It doesn't taste too bad. But the chewiness and stuff I don't like. So I'll give that like a 4.
I'll give it a 3. It sticks to your teeth.
Okay.
I love this one.
Yeah, that was really good.
Done. is my
Don't finish it yet because we got other stuff to eat. And this one looks good. Here, there's 2 of these. So we each get one. This one's the dime or dame. I don't know how to pronounce this stuff. But let me look for it. Oh, right here. Originally, sorry, I don't know how to read, obviously. Let's put it over here.
I can't do it.
Originally known as Dahm, I don't know. This snack features crunchy almond caramel covered with rich milk chocolate. Oh my God, guys. I have a feeling that this is going to be amazing.
Me too.
Let's go ahead and open it and try it. Can you do mine? Okay.
Right, look what it looks like in the inside. I'm so excited to
Yeah.
taste it.
Mine kind of broke, but look, guys. Look at this.
It kind of have like
This. Yum. Oh my God. It smells amazing. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
for the chocolate. I give it a 9 from the what are those called?
Almond?
The peanuts, or I don't know. I give it like hold on. What was this? That doesn't like this, but
I really like it, guys. It's sweet. It's very, very crunchy. And and it's so amazingly good. It's really, really good. I've never had anything like this. It's very, very
oh
good.
my God, Grandma, that looks like an Oreo one.
Mm.
I'm so excited.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure
Yummy,
you,
guys.
Make sure you make sure you hit that thumbs
Like.
up and subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like so far what you see. There will be more videos with Jazz. So, yeah, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, comment whatever you want. If you don't like this video, you can give it a thumbs down. That's fine with us. No biggie. No hard feelings. We still love you guys so much. But you know what? Let's continue. Want to try this one next?
Yeah. And then can we do this one?
Yeah. Here.
We're gonna
Show it to them.
try.
There's only one of those.
Look what it looks like.
Yeah. Show it to them. There's just one of those.
Guys, it looks
Okay.
like
It says Dumo or Dummo snacks. A delicious combination of foamed caramel mixed with crisp rice, then covered in milk chocolate.
milk.
Open
Should I
it.
put it in it?
Yeah.
No. Should I
Take a bite. Ooh.
Grandma, you should definitely like this. It's so good.
Guys, the inside.
I'll give it a 10. Woo!
Look at this. Let's try it.
I give that one a 100.
Mmm.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
What do you give it? I give it a 10.
I give it a 9.
I give it a 10, definitely. We're gonna taste This one, right, Grandma? The Oreo one? Look, but it's gonna look at the inside. Oh my god, I'm definitely ready for this one.
Okay, this is Marabou Oreo. Delicious Marabou chocolate filled with chocolate and vanilla cream.
Cream.
Wow.
You can taste it like this. First time.
You can take it, Mama. What it tastes like?
Oh, yeah. This one.
It's like Oreos?
Yeah.
Oops. Look, guys, it comes like in little sections. That
It looks like a decoration.
the inside. My turn to try it.
You definitely you'll like this one. You love it?
Mm.
Or should I put it in the plate?
Yeah. It doesn't really, to me, it doesn't really taste like Oreos, but it tastes like a very, very delicious snack.
Mm-hmm.
Chocolate, crispy like cookie, vanilla, cream. So good. It's really good.
Next, what are we gonna try?
How about this one?
Huh?
Let me find it right here.
So good.
Tarragona roasted hazelnuts are mixed with creamy milk chocolate for the perfect blend of crunch and sweetness. Open it up. Oh, you okay?
Look, they come in little squares.
They do? Yeah, cut one off for you.
Okay, guys.
Yeah, you like it?
It's very nice. Because it's too chocolatey.
You want me to bite from that one? Or you want to eat it? You can eat it.
Put it on my plate. This is so
Okay.
good.
Whoa.
I'm gonna have a drink.
Mm.
Whoa. I still love this one. It's so delicious. I like the chips.
This is pure chocolate, guys.
PR.
Pure, like
Pure.
only chocolate with hazelnut flavor. It's like chocolate and hazelnut flavor mixed together.
You love it? Not kind of.
I don't know about this one. It's a little too chocolatey.
Yeah, that's why I give it a 9.
Yeah, I'll probably give it an 8.
Me too, yeah, 8.
Let's try this one. Nougat.
Nougat?
DeBelle Nougat. Let's see.
So so excited
Hold
to
on.
open these. We only have one
Where
more
is it?
left.
Right here. Yeah. It's light and soft nougat. Nougat is combined with a layer of dark hazelnut nougat to create a decadent chocolate snack.
Snack? Like a
Okay.
snack shack?
Open it, see what it tastes like. Yeah. Oh, you got it.
They have 2 flavors.
Oh my God, that's right. Show it.
It has 2 flavors.
Here, let me see. Look, guys. It has this side and this side.
I'm excited for the
With
chocolate.
two sides, 2 flavors. I think this is the chocolate side, obviously, and this is the hazelnut, but I don't know.
Ooh, look, this kind of like a chocolate. Yeah, I like this one.
You do?
Yeah. Anyway, I don't like this one, but I do like that one.
Try it together. Mmm.
Yeah, no.
Mm.
I give it a 10.
Mmm.
Actually.
This combined, it's so delicious, guys. So, so good.
They're like those squishy.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
It's very good.
Next
Okay.
candies.
That's our last.
Snack.
That's our last one, guys. That's our very last one.
Sorry, I'm coming right
And Sura Bagornar. I don't know, babe. I don't know, guys. I don't know, mommy. I don't know how to say this.
Should I open it?
Hold on.
It's
Featuring a grumpy green bear on the packaging, these sweet and sour bear-shaped gummies are sure to put a smile on your face.
Let's see. Alright.
She is such a good helper, guys. She is so adorable and unbelievably cute, and she helps me a lot.
I don't know about this. They said it make your face make happy. Oh, they're so tiny. I don't know about this.
Oh,
No. I give it like a... No, I give it a 6.